The Blackboard equation editor is very powerful. First selecting the insertion point and then selecting the insertion tool brings up the editor. Letters, numbers, and keyboard symbols can be typed directly. Using various templates, more common equation components can be added, like a ratio, which provides text boxes into which more letters, number, and symbols can be typed. More templates are available under the various tabs. If a symbol is required that's not on the keyboard, be sure to check under the Symbol tab for many common mathematical symbols. Under the Greek letter tab, many other variable symbols can be found. When the equation is complete, click the Accept button. Sometimes there will be a delay as the equation is processed and inserted. Unfortunately, this delay can be rather long sometimes, and sometimes the process will fail and have to be restarted.